Stop.
Imagine this. You walk into a big, bright gym. You wear your best sports clothes. You want to look like a pro. But you pick up a very heavy weight. You drop it on your foot. Everyone in the gym looks at you. You want to hide forever. Hello, friends. Welcome back to the show. Ready for your daily dose of effortless English? I'm Tina.
And I'm Leo, your daily disaster at the gym.
We have all been there, Leo. The gym can be a scary place. Today we learned 3 essential phrases for the gym. Phrase 1, in shape. It means having a strong and healthy body.
In shape. So I just look like a fitness model, right?
Not exactly a model, just healthy. Phrase 2, work out. It simply means to exercise your body.
Work out. So I just lift heavy things and sweat a lot?
Yes, exactly. Phrase 3, take a break. It means to rest.
Take a break. This is definitely my favorite thing to do.
Stick around until the end. Leo will share how he accidentally broke a treadmill using one of these phrases. It is absolutely hilarious. You will laugh so hard.
Please don't remind me. I wanted to disappear into the floor that day.
It is a great story. But first, let's talk about your gym history.
I went to the gym yesterday. A beautiful girl talked to me.
Oh, nice. What did she say to you?
She asked about my exercise plan. I wanted to sound very cool.
And what did you say to her?
I looked at her and said, I very like it.
Oh no, Leo. That just made it much worse. You should say, I really like it.
Yes, I know now. Then she pointed at a big machine. She asked me its name. I did not know it.
Did you guess the name?
No, I panicked completely. I looked at her and said, how to say it?
Oh, Leo. You need to ask, how do you say it?
I also told her my age incorrectly.
What did you say?
I said, I have 25 years old.
Oh, Leo. You should say, I am 25.
I know, my English was a complete disaster yesterday.
Sounds familiar? Don't worry, we've got the fix. Let's learn to speak like a real gym pro today. All right, Leo, time to put it into action. Let's jump into some real-life scenes. Imagine we are at the gym entrance. The music is very loud. We hear people running on machines. We hear weights clinking together.
Hey Tina, you look great today. You are very in shape.
Thanks, Leo. But we usually say, you are in great shape.
Got it. So I say, you are in great shape.
Exactly. You use it to compliment someone's fitness. You can also say, I want to get in shape.
I want to get in shape. That is my big goal for this year.
That is a very good goal. Getting in shape takes time and hard work.
Yes, getting in shape is not easy for me. I love eating pizza too much.
You can eat pizza sometimes, but you must stay active to stay in shape.
Staying in shape sounds like a full-time job. I need more sleep.
Sleep is also important for staying in shape. Your body needs rest to grow.
Oh, like, I can get in shape by sleeping 10 hours a day?
No, Leo. You still have to do the hard work first. Let's practice again. Ask me about my older brother.
Is your older brother in shape?
Yes, he is in amazing shape. He runs 5 miles every single morning.
Wow, I am definitely not in shape right now. I get tired walking upstairs.
Do not worry. We will get you in shape soon. That works for friends, but what if the person is your angry boss? Let's see. Now I am your strict boss. We are at the company gym. We hear heavy weights dropping on the floor. People are breathing heavily.
Hello, boss. I want to work out my body today.
We usually just say, I want to work out. No need to add my body.
So you mean, I want to work out after work today.
Yes. Or you can ask someone, how often do you work out?
How often do you work out, boss?
I work out 6 days a week. It keeps my mind very sharp.
6 days? I only work out once a month. That explains a lot.
You need to work out more often, Leo. It is good for your health.
I know, but finding time to work out is very difficult for me.
You can work out for just 20 minutes. A short workout is still good.
Oh, like, I can work out in my living room while watching television?
Exactly. You do not need a gym to work out. Just move your body.
Maybe I will work out tomorrow. Or maybe next year.
You always say that, Leo. Start working out today, not tomorrow.
What time do you usually work out?
I work out early in the morning. It gives me energy for the day.
I cannot work out in the morning. My bed is too comfortable.
Wait, there is a hidden trap here. Most people fail this next situation. We are running on the treadmill. You are sweating a lot. Breathing is very hard. The machine is moving fast.
Tina, I am so tired. I really need to take a break.
Good. You used take a break perfectly in this situation.
Yes, I always take a break after 5 minutes of slow running.
5 minutes? You need to push harder before you take a break.
But taking a break is the absolute best part of going to the gym.
You can also specify the time. Say, let's take a 5-minute break.
Got it. So I say, let's take a 5-minute break to eat a burger?
No burgers during a workout. Just drink some water when you take a break.
Can I take a break for 2 hours? I need a long nap.
That is not taking a break. That is just going to sleep, Leo.
Well, my muscles hurt. I think I will take a break for a week.
If you take a break for a week, you will lose your progress.
Okay, fine. I will take a break for just 10 minutes.
Let's practice one more time. Tell me you are tired from working.
I have been typing all day. I need to take a break.
Perfect. Taking a break helps your brain rest and focus better later. Speaking of treadmills, what happened with you and that broken machine?
Oh, the treadmill disaster. I was running very fast one evening. I wanted to look cool in front of everyone.
And then what happened? Did you trip and fall down?
Worse, I was tired and wanted to take a break, but I pressed the wrong button on the machine.
Oh no. What button did you press by mistake?
I pressed the emergency stop button. The machine stopped instantly. I flew forward and hit the screen hard.
Oh my goodness. Did the machine break?
Yes, the screen cracked completely. I had to pay for a new one. It was a terrible day.
Remember the awkward moment from the start? Watch Leo do it right this time.
I am completely ready. No more running away from beautiful girls at the gym.
Let us set the scene. The gym is busy. The girl approaches you. She asks about your exercise plan again. What do you say to her now?
I smile confidently and say, I really like running. I want to get in shape.
Perfect. That sounds very natural. And what if you are tired during your run?
I will look at her and tell her, I need to take a break.
Great. And what do you do at the gym every single week?
I work out 3 times a week to stay healthy and very strong.
Much better, Leo. You sound like a real gym professional now. She will definitely be impressed by your perfect English. Let's do a quick review of today's essential phrases. Phrase 1. In shape.
I want to get in shape for my summer beach vacation this year.
Excellent sentence. Remember, it means being healthy and fit. Phrase 2. Work out.
I work out with my best friends at the park every Friday evening.
Perfect. It is a great way to exercise. And phrase 3. Take a break.
Let's take a break and drink some cold water right now. I am tired.
Very good. Resting is just as important as exercising. Drop your favorite phrase in the comments. We read every one of them. Tell us about your own funny gym stories too. We love reading them. Next time, we'll crack another small talk myth. You won't want to miss it. Finally, don't forget our slogan, your daily dose of effortless English. See you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Keep working out and stay in shape.